How to clear WhatsApp chats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear WhatsApp chats. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just open the chat or find the chat where you want to clear the chat history from. And now here, once you're inside that particular chat, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on more. And now here, on the next pop-up menu, you will see the option labeled as clear chat. So there you can just tap on that option, and here if you want to remove stale messages or media received in the chat, then you can choose the options you preferred as well. And now here, with that, you can just tap on clear media option or clear chat option to confirm, and the message in that conversation will be removed, but the chat itself will remain in your chat list. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.